Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I have something really cool here from Kemimoto. Got this for the Honda CT125. And check this out. This is a Molle rear box. Basically, it's kind of like a milk crate, only this is made out of aluminum and it's Molle. You can see where it has the places where we can put on Molle accessories. So comes with all the bolts here. We're going to put it together. Bolt this box together. It's made out of aluminum. Should be pretty cool. Let's get this thing bolted together and get it on the Honda CT125. Okay, so let's take this out of the package here so we have all the bolts out. Ready to go. Then we just got all these panels and we put them together. Lay these down here so I have a good place to set it on. But if in doubt, we do have instructions. It comes with to look like good instructions. Shows us how to put it together from start to finish. So two of these panels are smaller, that will be the ends, and two of the long ones will be the sides. Kemimoto, look at that laser cut in there, looks good. And then we have the two sides here. So it shows us first putting the two ends on, which is these pieces right here. They did take, it is aluminum and it's got a grab handle, and they put this piece in here so it protects your hands when you lift up on the box to hold on to it. So these ends will go on just like this. We take our short Allen bolts, stick them in here. We won't tighten these up yet till we get all these in to make sure it all fits good into place. Same way on the other end. Then we have the sides here, which will go over the outside like so. So we'll have two of the bolts here, two here, and two over here. Kind of hard to mess this up, really. I mean, pretty simple to put together. Using a supplied ball end Allen wrench. Now once I will go ahead and get this end on, I know it's not going to go anywhere, so I can go ahead and tighten these down on this side. So then we just got to install this side here. This fits over. This is a very nice box, or basket, whatever you want to call it. It's kind of like one of those milk crates, only a lot better quality than a milk crate. So you could use this on a lot of different things besides the CT125. You could use it on an e-bike. You could use it on a lot of different motorcycles if you wanted it on a rear rack. Work great for a lot of different applications it could be used for. Yeah, tighten up the four bottom Allens and we'll be done with that. There we go. Well, that looked good. It actually looks real good. The cool part is they also supplied 4 bolts, 4 nylock nuts, and 4 washers to bolt this down to whatever you wanted to, because It's made for a lot of different applications, and depending on what you want to bolt it to, got all the bolts and stuff to bolt it down onto the rack of your choice. Let's take this thing and put it on the CT125. Okay, so for my Honda CT125, I actually already have this rubber mat. This is what you use in toolboxes to line a toolbox with. And because I had a top box sitting on here bolted on, I have this on here to protect the paint, and it just keeps down the rattle being bolted on, plastic to metal or metal to metal. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this on. We can set this on. Hopefully the holes will line up. There's 4 holes here that come standard in your Honda CT125 rack, and hopefully these holes will line up. If they do, we're in good shape. Okay, so as far as the bolts that come with the Kemimoto rack are good. They do fit it, so you can use the bolt and the washer. You don't need the nut because there's already a threaded hole on there. 2 of the holes line up on this. All 4 of them don't. So to get all 4 of them to line up, if you wanted them, you could go ahead and drill the holes and match. But I'm going to go ahead and just use 2 for now, and I think that'll be good. And if it does bounce around a little bit too much or whatever, I can actually come back later and just add my other 2 holes, drill them to match, and make this thing bolt down with 4. But I may change it around anyway, so I don't really want to drill holes in it yet. But 2 of the holes match up just perfect. Okay, now that's solid as a rock right there. Okay, so this crate weighs 5 pounds. We're going to go ahead and measure it here. So it looks like it's about 13 and a quarter, between 13 and a quarter, 13 and a half wide. Front to back, we are like 11 and a quarter. And then the height, we are about 9 and a quarter. So actually pretty compact. I like that it's aluminum. I like these handles. It's got them on all 4 corners. Laser cut Kemimoto logo right here. Really looks good. See my helper out here, Cricket. So let me show you the inside here. So on the inside here, you can see there's lots of different options to bolt these laser cut holes, slots, and everything. I had to use these 2 here. The other 2 don't line up, but like I said, I can drill those out if I want. I'll see how solid this is. If not, I'll drill them out or do something different, but it bolts down solid right there with the 2 bolts. We will try it out and see anyway. Okay, so one other cool thing is they put this Molle webbing here on the side, which is cool because you can take something like this Nelson Rigg fuel bottle holder or any kind of Molle bags, and you can strap it on front and back. And the Molle works like this. You can see these different loops. So we just weave it through this. So we'll go through this, through here, back through this, through here, back through this, all the way down, and snap it. And then we have the Nelson Rigg Molle fuel bottle holder right there on the back, and I could actually put 2 of them, or I could put something else on there, whatever. But super cool. Okay guys, that is it for the aluminum crate for the Honda CT125. Now this is not just for CT125. This can be used on ATVs, UTVs, e-bikes, bicycles, a lot of different things. You can use this thing. It has a lot of applications. It's made out of aluminum. It's black powder coated. It's got the Molle on the back and the front. Super cool. I like the integrated handles in it, and it's just well built. It's a lot better than just having an old plastic milk crate, and it looks good. Perfect size for something like this. I have a lot of things Kemimoto on this bike. They make a lot of products for the CT125, so check them out. Check out all my videos. If you just do a search for Woodzman Kemimoto, you'll see all my stuff. Woodzman Kemimoto CT125, you'll find out a lot of stuff that I have for this bike from Kemimoto. I will post a link in the description where you can check this out. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll catch you all in the next video. Right on.